Hey guys, today I was crappie fishing, and tonight I'm gonna do a catch and cook. Show you how to cook them there and fillet them. My papa's with me bass fishing, and I'll see if I can show you it today. I caught it on a worm, and I had some minnows in here, so I just threw it in there with the minnows.
So you're on green dyed worm.
Yeah, that's what I'm using. Big green dyed worms. That's what they call them. Try not to fall. Oh. Hold up, I'm doing a video. Shoot, I stepped on the rod. See him? Thing's big. I don't want it to come out. I caught a whole bunch today. I had maybe, I don't know what it was. It looked like a catfish though. It was maybe 30 or something pounds. And we was bass fishing today. I just threw a worm in there for a minute. I pulled maybe 5 up today. And that's like my 5th. But here, talk to my papa. Tell him what you're using.
I'm using a Johnny Morse Carbon Light. Excellent bass rod. Right now I'm using a floating frog. I think it's glow frog. But as the sun goes down, throwing around the stumps, I'm hoping to pull in a lunker. But I was using a scatterbait earlier, and I caught a nice little bass. But you got to keep working your areas. When the tide goes down, find out where your grass lines are and your stumps. Because once tide comes up, you know right where to throw. Because them bass like to lay around into that, structure. That's what bass fishing is all about, is structure. What I'm going to do is throw again. And hopefully, just pop that frog. And the maker of this frog is Zuma Baits.
I'm gonna show y'all guys what I was using for bass fishing.
You know what?
Okay. I was using. If I get a GoPro, I'll make it that's some better videos. But I'm using my phone right now, so they're okay videos. But I was using a trick worm, bubblegum trick worm with an Eagle Claw laser sharp hook, and with my Lew's bass rod. And these are the baits I was using. I was using this. That's what he caught that little bass on. And I was using this today. This. And that's really it. And I think next week I'll do another video so I could I'll make a better video next week because I'll set up my phone so I could edit it. But I'm using my papa's rod right now. My rod doesn't have no line on it. He has a nice one. That's where I caught the crappies and everything on. And this is my papa's long crappie rod. And when this video is about uploaded, about maybe 2 hours later, I'm gonna do a catch and cook. It's like maybe 5 o'clock right now. Here, show him. Here, show him. Tell him.
I will show my grandson the right way to fillet a nice crappie.
I filleted one, but yeah.
But as time is getting ready to expire,
for bass,
we'll be back online
in May.
And
Okay. Anything else you want to tell them? Okay.
Have a good day.
Okay. Okay.
If we have one that hits, that's when you put me on it. That's when I say, this is what did it. And you tell them the name of the bait. And guess what? Whatever the name
Is that a little out?
is, you got to tell them that. And guess what? Then the guy who makes these, they'll be contacting you.
Look at that.
Gator.
Gator. It's a really small gator. Oh. Okay. Okay, please like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you in like maybe 2 hours.